Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I am your new teacher, English teacher Miss Mariam, and from today onwards I am going to teach you English. So now take out your English workbook of class 3 and take out unit 1 Sugar and Spice on page 7. So students, you have already read this paragraph, the magician trick, in your previous lesson, and today we are going to do exercise B related to this paragraph. So look at exercise B on page 7. So student, in this exercise B we have to take the right answer. So we look at your first sentence. First sentence is a wizard, fairy, magician is speaking in the passage. As you all know, that we are talking about that the paragraph above was about the magician. So we will choose the option magician in it. So a magician is speaking in the passage. Now look at the second sentence. He was going to, the options are act, show, present. If you look at the paragraph, it is clearly written that he was going to show the trick. He was going to show the trick. So the correct answer is show. A film, a pack of cards, a trick. Obviously he was a magician, so he was known for showing tricks. So we will in the passage it is also written trick, so we will choose the answer trick. To the audience, public or children. If you see the paragraph, it is written he is addressing to ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, not children only, or not or public. He was basically the people who was present at that time. He was addressing to them, which was his audience. So for then the correct answer is the audience. Okay, now audience. Now look at the third sentence. He asked the audience to close their eyes, to clap their hands and hold their breath when he opened the box. If you look at the paragraph, he was asking his audience to hold their breath. Okay, so we will choose the answer hold their breath. And look at the fourth sentence. When he opened the box, the options are a bird, a piece of paper, a drawing of a bird flew out of it. If you look at the paragraph again, a bird is flying out of the box. So this shows a bird flew out of it. So I hope you have also marked the correct options in your book. Thank you.